In this video, I'll show you how to get a Japanese display name on Roblox using your PC. This is a quick and simple process, and you don't need any third-party tools. Everything can be done directly from your browser. Before we get started, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the tutorials I make. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and go to google.com. Once you're there, in the search bar, type Google Translate and hit enter. When the Google Translate page opens, you'll see two text boxes, one for the original language and one for the translated text. Now, in the second box, click the drop-down and change the target language to Japanese. This will allow you to convert your desired display name into Japanese characters. In the first box, type the name you want to use, for example, tech, player, or anything you prefer. In the second box, Google Translate will automatically generate the Japanese version of that word using characters from the Japanese alphabet. Next, select those Japanese characters, right-click, and choose Copy to copy them to your clipboard. You'll use these in Roblox in just a moment. Now, go to roblox.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon, which represents your account settings. From the drop-down, click Settings. Inside your account settings, locate the section labeled Display Name. This is the name that appears publicly on your Roblox profile and in games. Click on your current display name to edit it. Then, right-click in the text box and select Paste to insert the Japanese characters you copied from Google Translate. After pasting your new name, scroll down and click the Save button. Roblox will process the change for a few seconds, and you should see a small message pop up saying, Save successfully. At first, the name might still appear in English due to your browser's cache, but don't worry. Just refresh the page and you'll see your new Japanese display name appear right away. The characters will now show up across Roblox, on your profile, friends list, and in games where your display name is visible. If you want to double check, return to your Roblox homepage after refreshing. You should now see your Japanese display name in full effect. Everything else on your account will remain the same. Only your display name has changed. This method is completely safe and supported by Roblox since the platform allows Unicode characters in display names, including Japanese, Korean, and Chinese symbols. The only limit is that your name must still follow Roblox's community guidelines and character count restrictions. And that's it. That's how you can get a Japanese display name on Roblox using your PC. It only takes a minute and gives your profile a unique look that stands out. If this tutorial helped you, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if you'd like to see tutorials on other Roblox customization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.